When trip planning turns into a second job, CityDiscoverer.ai targets the chaos of scattered tabs, outdated advice, and last-minute changes. Most travelers lose hours bouncing between blogs, maps, booking sites, and group chats, and the plan still breaks when weather, crowds, or events change. City Discoverer AI is built to reduce that friction by putting planning, local intel, booking access, and support in one ecosystem. If you do US city trips often, this solves real pain fast. One hub for city guides, AI plans, deals, and live help. This tool positions itself as a one-stop travel planning and tour services platform for US cities and beyond. City Discoverer AI combines AI itinerary generation, real-time local insights, and travel agency-style booking perks in one place. The platform is tied to a certified travel consultant, Felix Abayomi, who's visited 50-plus US cities, so the recommendations are designed to feel practical, not theoretical. Think of it as planning plus booking plus backup, all connected. How to use it in 3 minutes, not 3 hours. Start at the main site, pick a portal, and generate or coordinate your trip in a few steps. You begin at City Discoverer AI, then choose the service you need, like the itinerary planner or the group projects portal. For planning, go to Plan. City Discoverer AI, enter your destination and preferences, generate an itinerary, then customize and save it. For groups, projects, City Discoverer AI lets you build a shared trip plan, invite people, and manage logistics in one workspace. PowerStack AI itineraries, city detection, events live loop. The platform's standout is dynamic planning, recommendations that react to what's happening locally. The itinerary planner is integrated with a ChatGPT assistant, so you can generate schedules fast and refine them around dining, weather, and local events. Subscriptions unlock tools like city name detection and events live loop for hyperlocal suggestions while you're traveling. It's designed for real-world travel where plans change, because the city changes. Who wins with CityDiscoverer.ai? And who doesn't? It's built for city explorers, road trippers, and groups, especially travelers who value structure and live updates. If you do weekend city breaks, conference trips, reunions, or multi-person plans, the project's portal and real-time updates are a genuine advantage. Road trippers benefit from the smart travel companion that detects cities automatically as you drive, tracks the journey, and layers in weather and nearby attractions. If you're the ultra-spontaneous traveler who refuses any itinerary, you may use it more as a guide than a planner. Explorer Pass Breakdown: $9.99 monthly to $499 lifetime. 3 plans include a 7-day free trial and scale from basic planning to VIP level perks. The monthly Explorer Pass is $9.99 per month with unlimited itinerary generations, revisions, priority AI processing, PDF export, local insights, and discounted flight and hotel bookings. The yearly Explorer Pass is $99 per year, listed as $119.88 value, adds priority support and early access to new cities and features. The Lifetime Explorer is $499 one-time for lifetime unlimited itineraries, premium support for life, advanced AI access, and VIP travel services with maximum discounts, best if you travel often and want to stop paying monthly. Felix, your travel advisor. Let's turn the AI plan into a real trip. Use the platform for ideas, then let Felix handle the bookings, coordination, and support. Here's my recommendation. Generate the itinerary on plan.citydiscoverer.ai. Then book a one-on-one session at Shedes City Discoverer. So we can pressure test the plan, timing, neighborhoods, safety, and what's actually worth your money. If you want discounts, check deals. City Discoverer. And if anything changes mid-trip, use agent.citydiscoverer.ai for trackable help. Start at citydiscoverer.ai, and I'll help you turn a good itinerary into a smooth, confident trip.